Hey guys, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. So far I have been loving filming on my phone. As you guys can see, most of my recent videos have been on my phone because it's just a little bit stressful setting up, turning on the lights and what's not. So today's video is going to be recorded on my iPhone. If you haven't seen an unboxing and review and comparison with my DSLR camera, you definitely should check it out up here. Today I'm going to be unboxing my inventory for wholesale here in the US. I have wholesale back home in Lagos, Nigeria, and I also have one that I'm starting up here. So we're starting it slowly. So I started by selling lip gloss tubes, which is slow but steady. You know, I've gotten like 2 or 3 buyers so far, so I have maybe like 40 tubes left. But right now I'm so grateful I have one wholesale order, so I'm going to be using some of the tubes that I have for her. So out of the 40, she's going to be getting 10, so I'll have 30 left. So slowly but surely, you know, we're gonna pick up eventually. This is my pink Panther lip gloss. If you haven't shopped with us, you're sleeping on this. Finished taking my thumbnails, but I'm feeling this back camera phone camera situation. So I'm gonna start off with some disinfecting spray. Okay, so the first thing I got is this. The one I had, I sent to Lagos just because there's none at home, so I sent that one back home. This is basically an acrylic coating spray that I use for my labels to make it smell proof. If you haven't seen a video, you should definitely be following me on my Instagram page. If you're not following me already, I don't know why you're not following. Please support your girl. Let us hit 1K before the end of this year, please. So that's what this one is. I did get some nail supplies over the period of last week, and that's because I want to start making my nails myself, because it's a little bit pricey doing nails at the salon and what's not, and anywhere you like, it's really pricey. So I want to start practicing how to make my nails myself. I think I know how to do without if it's not acrylic, if it's just normal nail polish, I can do those. But I love acrylic so much, so I bought monomer. This is the Mirai Secret monomer. There were a couple of bad reviews about this, but I haven't opened it to confirm whether it's true or not. But I'll be testing it out, and hopefully there's still, if it doesn't work, I can always return it back. But yeah, and the size I got is the 8 ounce, and this was the cheapest, so that's that. Then I got some 8 ounce jars for my Versagel wholesale here in the US. So this is what it looks like. I can already tell that one is cracked, but that's not a problem since it's just one. I can use that as my brush holder. I've been wanting to buy brush holder, but I'm so broke, I need money, so I haven't been able to buy because there's no money. So I'm just going to use the one that cracked. I'll look for it. I think it's this one. I don't know if you can see the crack there. Here, so that's where the crack is. Yeah, so I'm going to wash it and do what's not, and I'll be using this for my wholesale orders. Hopefully the others will be coming in. Now to this bad boy here. I've had this for several days, but I wanted to unbox it when I was mentally ready to unbox it. This last couple of days has been stressful. There has just been a lot going on for me, so I wanted to unbox it when I was mentally fit, you know. See me. Yeah. Hey, I should do TikTok. Okay, so let me do TikTok and I'll be right back to continue, because you know TikTok people, they love unboxing videos the most, and I'm also going to post it on my Instagram reels, and you guys seem to love unboxing videos too, so let's unbox this on TikTok. Let's start off with the liquid pigment. I wanted to get more colors. The ones I had I sent back home, and do you know I had 2 of this but I went and sent both of them back home, and so I've been looking for it, and this is what I actually use in making my pink Panther. And I got this pink shade, so I'm now wondering, because the only reason I got this was because of Pink Panther, but now that I have this color that looks exactly like my Pink Panther, I'm like, I just wasted money. But it's not bad, because I bought it when they were on sale, so I'm not that mad, you know. So this shade is called Yummy Pink. It's exactly like my Pink Panther, so I'm so grateful. It saves me the stress of mixing red and white. And this is red 30, and they are all 30 ml. So just so in case you're wondering, oh, I could use this for a red lip gloss. I've been so scared of doing any red lip gloss because I just feel like people don't really, me personally, I don't like red lip glosses. I don't know. This one, I don't know why I bought. Oh yeah, so I bought this because I have lemon, you know, lemon is yellow like this color, so I bought lemon fruit slices. So it would be nice to do something tinted yellow and then add those slices to it, and it's going to look really good. So I'm also working towards launching a what is it called, a Valentine lip gloss collection next year. So let me know what colors you have in mind, you know, let's talk down below. So that's with this one. I'm just gonna put that back, and then the next item I ordered are these 0.15 cc scoops. So I bought this because of my mica and glitter, because usually when I'm trying to pour mica, I always like just pour it, open it and then pour. Sometimes I pour too much, but with this it's going to help me measure out each of the scoops, and I think I'm just going to keep 5 here and send 5 back home. So that's what this one is for. So this is hydrogenated Isobutane. It's a vegan substitute for mineral oil. So if you're very sensitive about mineral oil and you don't want to use mineral oil, this would be a very good substitute. And again, I'm going to be dividing this into 2. I'll be keeping half here and sending half back home. So what this basically does is that it makes your glosses more silky, and conditions it as well. So that's why I bought this one. I've been using it in all my lip glosses, so it's really good, and I think it's a must. If it's not compulsory, if you want to, you know. Then my Versagel, I'm so excited. I went all out. So they were, I won't say they were nice, they're like, girl, see, don't go opening this big thing if you're not sure about it. So it says this is the sample of what's inside the bucket. So it says, please test the sample material in this bag prior to opening your bucket. Once the bucket is open, it may not be returned or replaced. If you discover the material in the sample bag is not suited to your needs, please open a ticket by emailing, you know, support TKB something. So that's that. And I think this is about maybe 5 ounce or 8 ounce. Like, it's actually enough to make like 20 lip glosses. So if you're interested, like, if you I didn't know this I didn't know this at all, so this is extra for me. Maybe I'll send this back home. I don't know. So yeah, that's basically it. I like their lip glosses with this pouch thingy, but the struggle to put the Versagel in this is a lot. You probably need to buy lots of syringes and possibly buy a lip gloss filling machine, which your girl has no money for. That's why I'm going to be using jars for my Versagel. So this is for sale. So if you're in the US, Canada, or surrounding states and you're looking for a Versagel vendor, please contact me. I'll be selling them in 8 ounces, and I haven't decided on how much I'll be selling the 8 ounces, but trust me, it's going to be affordable. Maybe $16, $17 or $18 tops. So definitely check your girl out. So, and I'm trying to make my prices competitive such that you're gonna shop with me as opposed to shopping elsewhere. Now, to open the TKB buckets, because a lot of people struggle with this, you want to look for where you're going to just look around till you find the spot. It's usually beside the iron hand itself. So, and then you're going to use a scissor to cut this side like this and just peel this out. So you just cut it as if you're drawing like upside down L and bring this out. So once you bring this out, you just so excited. Ah. Okay, so the part that you opened, you made that hole, that's where you want to lift up first. And then just keep on. Oh, my Versagel. I'm so excited. Oof. 12 pound. Yes. Yes, 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 girl. Yes. So that's what it looks like. Let me show you guys. That's basically it. That's basically it. I'm so grateful that there's a sample here, so I get to use this one first before dividing the rest. So I think this is like 5 ounces if I'm not mistaken. That's basically everything. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and until my next video, guys, I'll see you guys in my next one. Please then support your girl. I have Versagel now. I'm not even, this is Versagel. Maybe I should take a turn now. Nah, it's gonna pour. So officially that makes me a Versagel vendor here in the US. So girl, so let me know if you're interested in purchasing. You can purchase by the time you're watching this video. The product should be on the website and available for purchase. So let me know if you're interested in purchasing. You can purchase via the website www.maybeautypro.com. Support your girl. I would really appreciate if you guys shopped with me, you know, period. Guys, please like this video, shop with me, please, please. Okay guys, bye bye.